Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will study on how to find the common difference D using the arithmetic formula. Let's recall first the arithmetic rule, which is the a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference D, where a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and D is the common difference. And we have an example. Find the common difference of the arithmetic sequence with a sub 3 equals 11 and a sub 5 equals 19. So we have to find the common difference of the sequence. Now, we're going to have the sequence, which is a sub 1 is unknown, a sub 2 is also unknown, then 11 is a sub 3, and another unknown is a sub 4, and then a sub 5 is 19, which is the last term. Okay, so how will you going to find the difference now? What are we going to do? So now we have the next step. Since there is no a sub 1, we can temporarily use the a sub 3 be the first term or a sub 1. Okay, so we have 11 be the first term. Again, a sub 2 is unknown and a sub 3 is 19. So our last term now is 19. Okay, now let's have the solution of the given sequence. We have the first term is 11, the second term is unknown, and our a sub 3 or the third term is 19, which is the last term. Okay, now we're going to find the given. A sub n, or the last term, which is a sub 3, is 19. And then a sub 1, or the first term, is 11. Then the next one, n, is 3, which is the number of terms, and D is unknown, the common difference. Okay, now let's substitute the values of a sub n, a sub 1, and n. Okay, so we have a sub 3 equals a sub 1 is 11 plus n is 3 minus 1 times D, which is unknown, and a sub 3 will be 19. It is equal to 11 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, so we have 2D. Then we solve for D. Okay, in order to solve for D, we can apply the addition property of equality. So, but this time I'm going to transpose 11 to the other side. Positive 11 will change the sign. It becomes negative 11. So, we have 19 minus 11 equals 2D. 19 minus 11 is 8 equals 2D. Then, we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we can now have 2D divided by 2 is D, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have D is equal to 4, which is the common difference of the sequence. So if we're going to check if it is correct, 11 plus 4 equals 15 plus 4 equals 19. So the common difference is correct. Okay, so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.